Hello, my name is Laura Gill. I'm the founder of the Attachment and Trauma Treatment Center for Healing. I'm here today to share with you one of the strategies that we often use at our center. If we're going to try and counter the overwhelming effects of trauma, one of the things that is important is making sure that the strategies we use are as sensory rich as possible. This guided practice is an activity that can be used to try to provide sensory distraction when overwhelming emotions, sensations, and feelings are coming up. I hope that this is something that will be helpful for you. What I'm going to invite you to do, if you're comfortable doing so, is just to relax back into your chair, to take a nice deep breath down to your belly, and close your eyes if you feel comfortable to do so, or a dull gaze towards the table or floor. I'm going to invite you to imagine that you're someplace relaxing. This can be someplace that you've been before, or someplace perhaps that you've always wanted to go. This can be someplace that is real, or someplace that is created. It's entirely up to you. As long as you're focusing on someplace that is relaxing to you, ideally someplace in nature. I'll invite you to take a moment to just take in everything that you see around you in this relaxation place. Turning around perhaps 360 degrees and just taking it in. Noticing if you could breathe in relaxation, what it might smell like for you. Noticing if relaxation had a taste, what it might taste like. Noticing if you could hear relaxation, what it might sound like. Noticing if you could reach out and touch and feel relaxation, what it might feel like to hold it in the palm of your hands. I'll invite you to take another deep breath, and again, notice your surroundings. Take in this relaxation place with all of your senses. And as you breathe out, just gradually coming back to the room. I'll invite you to take a moment just to notice how that felt for you. Notice any physical sensations or changes. Notice any emotional awareness that you have. Just noticing. We're not judging, just being aware. This is a strategy that I often encourage people to use if intrusive images, sights, sounds, smells, even emotions come up. And part of what we want to do is be able to notice the activation, but then step into something else. And as I said earlier, because terror is so emotionally charged, we need to really be intentional about the strategies that we use, making sure that we're making them as sensory rich as we possibly can as well. I hope this was helpful for you. With the clients that I work with, I often encourage them to make some kind of representation of their relaxation place. So if you're called to do so, creating a drawing or painting or sculpture of your relaxation place can be a nice way to further deepen that experience. But the idea would be that you call this place to mind at any point in time that you need a little bit of grounding. Again, really taking it in with all of your sight, sound, smells, sensations of touch, and allowing yourself to fully embody the experience of being there. I do hope this is helpful for you, and I wish you a gentle rest of your day.